Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm using StreamYard to record this live video, link in the description below where you can create an account. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT, the newest and coolest AI technology, to make money online. So I can simply go over to ChatGPT right here. It's chat.openai.com. Pull up the website again. And as you can see over here, I can create separate chats. So I've got a couple different tabs open already where I can just kind of separate out the different things that I'm working on. Here's where I'm learning some more information about affiliate marketing, writing an ebook about YouTube here. So I've basically given it an outlet. It's provided me an outline of the book right here, which I can then use to segment out different chapters. So you can use it to pretty much do anything that you want. And it's just a simple matter of coming up with the right questions to ask, right? So for the purposes of this video, I just asked ChatGPT, how can I make money with ChatGPT, right? And it provided the top 5 ways to potentially use ChatGPT to make money. And bear in mind that I have not actually done any of these yet. So in this video, I'm just providing a few examples of ways that you can make money, but I haven't actually done this yet. So far, I've mostly been using ChatGPT to create ebooks on different topics that I've put up on Amazon. So here's one that I've written entirely with ChatGPT. It's about 27 pages long. Link in the description below where you can buy this ebook. But just goes to show what the platform is capable of doing. It's really amazing. You can also use it to build websites, create, like blog posts. I've even used it to make some LinkedIn posts. So here's a LinkedIn article I created entirely using ChatGPT, and my subscribers are skyrocketing. So they're going up really fast just by creating this article right here. Which will eventually turn into clients and customers. So, but let's get back to what we were talking about. So here's a few ways to make money using ChatGPT. Number 1, build and sell chatbot applications. You can use ChatGPT to build chatbot applications for businesses or individuals looking to automate customer service, sales, or other tasks. You could then sell these chatbots to your clients. You could potentially put this up on Fiverr or Upwork as a service that you provide to somebody that you would then charge money for. So we can simply take this right here, the first one, and say, build and sell. How can I build and sell chatbot applications using ChatGPT, right? Simply ask this question and it will type out a response for you in about 2 minutes. You need to follow these general steps. Define your chatbot's purpose and target audience before you start building your chatbot. Train GPT. Once you have a clear idea of your chatbot's purpose, you'll need to fine-tune in ChatGPT. Build your chatbot interface. So it's not really telling us exactly how to do this or providing any code. But one of the really cool things about ChatGPT is that it can actually type code for you as well, which I will show you in a minute here. Even if you have no programming experience, it can basically just type out all of the code for you. So last and most important step, I would say, is sell the chatbot. Once you're satisfied with it, you can start selling it to potential clients. This may involve setting up a sales website or landing page, promoting your chatbot through marketing, or reaching out to potential clients directly, such as on LinkedIn, for example. This is, one of the best ways to grow your professional network. So from here, I've actually asked it another question in this other tab here. Can you create a chatbot for Facebook to automatically send messages to commenters? I've actually been using a tool called MiniChat, minichat.com, to automatically send messages to people that comment on my posts. So this is a really good tool for creating a chatbot. And it's free. They offer like a free trial. So you could potentially create an entire chatbot with the website using ChatGPT, but it's not going to be easy. Obviously, it's going to take quite a bit of effort, and you have to know how to program and put everything together. So if you do want to create a chatbot, I recommend just using a platform that already exists, like ManyChat. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can sign up for that. But the response it provided, yes, it's possible to create a chatbot for Facebook. There are a few different ways to do this depending on your specific goals and needs. One option is to use a chatbot platform such as ManyChat, which I just mentioned, or MobileMonkey, which allows you to build and deploy a chatbot on Facebook without needing to know how to code. So this is the key here, without needing to know how to code. And that's a really nice thing about ChatGPT as well. You can basically create an entire website or app for free just by asking the right questions, right? Another option is use Facebook Messenger API, which allows you to build a chatbot that can interact with users. This requires some programming knowledge. Regardless of which approach you use, it's important to carefully consider how you will use a chatbot and what types of messages you want to send. So I can just show you an example with ManyChat, kind of how a chatbot works and what it's doing for me, because I'm reaching millions of people on my Facebook page every month. I think this past month I reached like 10 million people in a single month, which is absolutely crazy. Just through like viral video content. I've created some other videos about that stuff as well. But I can simply open up my chatbot right here and kind of show you how it works. We could potentially create our own chatbot using ChatGPT. If we wanted to do that, we could just say, write code for a chatbot to interact with commenters on Facebook. Let's just see if it can do that. Example of how you might write code for chatbot on Facebook using Messenger API. So as you can see right here, is pretty incredible. It will just create the code for you in Facebook Messenger API for a chatbot. So rather than using a tool like ManyChat right here, this is how I've basically built out my own chatbot. As you can see, this is run like 1,200 times, and it's just like a flow chart. These are all of the posts that I want to comment on, send messages to. You can see like how many people clicked on it, all this stuff, the message that it's sending, all of that. So it'd be really cool if ManyChat could build a chatbot just like this. And that's essentially what it's done. Obviously, it's very bare bones, but this code uses FB Messenger bot library to create a chatbot that listens for comments on a Facebook page. When a comment is received, the handle comments function is called to generate a response using the generate response function. That's amazing. The response is then sent back to the user using the send text message method of FB Messenger bot. That's just one example of how you could write code for a chatbot to interact with commenters. There are many other ways you could do this. So using ChatGPT, I've come up with my own starter template for a chatbot using Facebook Messenger API. So instead of paying for ManyChat every month, I think it's like, I don't know, $19 a month, something like that. I could potentially write my own chatbot. And so now we can simply ask ChatGPT, can you provide a fully functional chatbot? Code, let's say, code a fully functional chatbot using Facebook Messenger API. Facebook Messenger API. I think it's just going to repeat. Yeah, this looks different, but it just goes to show what you're able to do with this. I'm not entirely sure how to actually implement this code. If anybody knows, please post a comment below. But I'm assuming that I have to create an account with Facebook Messenger API. So we can come over here. I use DuckDuckGo usually, not Google, but Facebook Messenger API. So if we want to learn more about this, we can come over here, and this is Facebook Developer, the Meta for Developers page. And obviously you're going to have to understand how the Facebook Messenger API works, which is, you could even just ask ChatGPT to provide more information about that. So if we go back over to ChatGPT, it's still writing the code here, as you can see. And the question is, how do you then take this chatbot and use it to make money online, right? So that's what I've essentially been doing with my chatbot on MiniChat. It's sending a message where they can, these are all affiliate links, so they can book a flight to Thailand, and you can see the click-through rate on these as well. You can book a hotel, or you can book a tour. So I'm essentially attempting to monetize my audience with affiliate links. So every time someone comments on one of my posts, I can then send a message and get conversions here. The only problem is most people aren't actually clicking on these links. So that's the issue here. But yeah, that's just one example of how you can make money online with ChatGPT by creating a chatbot. So as you can see here, it's typed out the entire code base for this fully functional chatbot. And now it's just a matter of figuring out how to actually implement this using Facebook Messenger API. But that's just one example. We can also look at number 2 here. We can offer chatbot development services to service it to clients using ChatGPT or other chatbot technologies to build chatbots. So let's say we want to start selling this as a service on Fiverr, for example. We can simply type in chatbot right here and see what sort of services that they have available on Fiverr. So here's one for $10. This guy will create a Zobot chatbot in Zoho. This is I think mostly email marketing platform, but I guess it can build chatbots as well. And that's only $10. Here's another one with more reviews. This is a create a chatbot for Facebook Messenger. Let's just pull this up and see what's included in this gig. So he offers API integration, 10 conversation steps, flow design, free consultation, all this stuff for how much? He's in Pakistan. A lot of people are either in India, Bangladesh, or Pakistan on Fiverr. So that one's only $10. He'll build a basic chatbot, standard chatbot for $30 or premium for $50. And that includes a lot more features. So yeah, obviously you'd have to have some programming knowledge or outsource it to somebody who does in order to build a fully functional chatbot and start selling it on Fiverr. But you can also offer it as a service. Here's one where he's creating a Facebook Messenger chatbot using MiniChat, which is what I show you over here. And he's selling it for $10. So we can read through more information about this gig. Personally, I don't really recommend listing your services on Fiverr just because you're not really making very much per sale, and many of them are very cheap. Let me just grab my phone real quick. As you can see, you're not really making very much per sale. So that's one reason I don't really recommend it. You can also get started with Upwork, or you can also just come over here and ask ChatGPT Let's take this. Let's ignore this for now because it requires some time to figure out how to actually implement this. Let's ask, what's the best way? No. How can I sell my chat bot on Fiverr? Something like that. I mistyped it. But anyway, it's kind of figuring out what I mean anyway. So this is how to list your chatbot for sale on Fiverr. Create the Fiverr account, go to the sell section of your Fiverr website and create a gig. Select the category that best fits it, such as programming, enter a title. So it knows exactly how to list a gig for sale on Fiverr without any access to the internet. That's another important point to make. ChatGPT doesn't have access to the internet, so it's just pulling from a database all of this information. So you set the price, you give it a title and description, add some examples, set up your payment, publish your gig. That's pretty much all there is to it. So now we can simply ask it, can you create a fully functional, I like to say fully functional, chatbot for sale on Fiverr? Available, yeah, something like that. Let's just see what it says. Here's an example of a fully functional chatbot for sale on Fiverr. First, decide on the purpose. Customer service chatbot, a marketing chatbot that can engage with users and promote products, personal assistant chatbot, and then you have to decide on the platform, chatbot builder platform, programming language. So either use a platform done for you like ManyChat or create your own using Python. So now, once you have a clear idea how to build it, you can start creating your gig, which they've already explained how to do. Keep in mind that building and selling a chatbot on Fiverr requires some marketing and business skills in addition to technical expertise. So now we can simply ask it, can code a chatbot. Well, let's just skip the whole chatbot thing for now and move on to the next one, right? That's just an example of how you can create a chatbot and then sell it on Fiverr so that you're actually using it to make money online, right? Another example is offer chatbot development, which we can also do on Fiverr. And number 3, use chatbots to monetize a website or app. If you have a website or app that generates traffic, you could use ChatGPT or another chatbot technology to monetize it by serving targeted ads or sponsored content to users through the chatbot. So now we can say, provide more information. Can you give an example of how to use, and then just put this, and let's see what it comes up with. Okay, identify target audience. You want to understand who your users are, what they're interested in, and what they're likely to engage with. Choose a chatbot platform. Okay, that's probably not, most of what this comes down to is asking the right questions, right? So in this particular case, it's not really giving me the answer that I wanted. So yeah, but pretty much all of these topics are about chat bots. So what if we want to ask it a different question, right? We're going down the chatbot rabbit hole, and while this is finishing typing, I can come over to another tab right here and say, how can I make money online on YouTube? Say, let's be more specific, right? How can I make money on YouTube with ChatGPT? And right now, there's already so many YouTube videos popping up about ChatGPT. It got over 1 million users in roughly a week. So now it's just trending all the time. there's so many of them. That's one of the reasons I'm creating this video, just to provide value to people that are watching my YouTube channel. And this topic is just blowing up, right? Here's one: how to make money with ChatGPT, how to get around ChatGPT detectors, how to make money with ChatGPT, creating AI art, how to start affiliate marketing for beginners, how to make money online with ChatGPT. As you can see, the list goes on and on. So here's the response that it generated. It uses NLP technology, which is something that a lot of like real estate agent coaches teach, like even Tony Robbins as well teaches about NLP language stuff. So that's basically how it's built. While ChatGPT is not a direct way to make money on YouTube, you could potentially use it to create content for YouTube that engages with users and generates revenue through ad revenue. So since this channel is now monetized, I'm generating ad revenue on all of my videos, including this one. So we can even just ask ChatGPT to write a script, for a YouTube video, right? Write a script for a YouTube video on the topic of remote work in the voice of Digital Nomad Ventures. And somehow, in the style of Digital Nomad Ventures, it can actually kind of like emulate my channel. Today, we're talking about the exciting world of remote work and how it's changing the way we think about work and travel. So now it's writing an entire script for me, for my channel, that I can then use to create another video. And so as more and more companies embrace the flexibility of remote work, it's becoming easier than ever to build a successful career while traveling the world. But being a digital nomad isn't all sunshine and rainbows. It requires discipline, self-motivation, and the ability to adapt to new environments. So, and then at the end here, it says, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Digital Nomad Ventures for more tips and insights on living and working remotely. So I can simply create an entire video, YouTube video, using this script. And then I can also ask it, please elaborate on, or please write more about working remotely for my YouTube channel, something along those lines. Additional topics I can cover. Here's some more topics about remote work that are interesting. Discuss the ways in which remote work can improve work-life balance, increase productivity, and reduce costs. Challenges of remote work, tips for success, remote work tools, case studies. I'm also thinking about interviewing people on this channel as well, other digital nomads in other parts of the world. So those are just a few examples. We can also ask it, please provide a list of topics for YouTube channel Digital Nomad Ventures. Trending, let's say trending topics. Future of work with the rise of remote work and gig economy, blah, blah, blah. That's one topic. Remote work tools and technologies, and travel and work. While it's typing that, though, I want to come up here and take this script that is written here, and then I can actually create a LinkedIn article. So I'll kind of show you how this works. Let's say you want to start writing content for LinkedIn, right? I can simply come over here and create an article with that exact script. And let's see. We can also have it come up with a title as well. So we could say, write a title for a LinkedIn article about remote work. Let's see what it comes up with. 5 strategies for successfully managing a remote team. So obviously I wasn't specific enough, but we can come up here Oh, we don't really have to though. We can just come up. It's important to still use your brain, right? You can't have ChatGPT do everything for you. Um, but we can also just do this. So we can take that and write a title for a LinkedIn article on the topic of, and then just insert that in. So navigating the challenges and opportunities of being a digital nomad, a guide for remote workers. That's not quite what I'm looking for. But it sounds more like a title of an ebook. So that's another thing that you can do to make money with ChatGPT, which I'm already starting to do. I've got my book up here on Amazon and also Gumroad as well, which is a way to sell digital products online. I've created some other videos about this too, but I can show you what that looks like. So this is what I'm already doing to essentially start making money online with ChatGPT just by selling essentially ebooks. And on Amazon, there's a paperback book as well. So here's the full outline that I generated using ChatGPT. And then I just elaborated on each one of these points, also using ChatGPT. So yeah, very powerful stuff. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can check out my Gumroad page for more information. But as you can see, there's so many different things that you can do using ChatGPT to make money online. And we can even just ask it too, what are the best ways to make money online using ChatGPT with examples? Here's a few examples. Create chatbot courses or training programs. If you have expertise in chatbot development. And again, it's just talking about chatbot things. So maybe that is one of the best ways to make money with ChatGPT, just by creating chatbots. And it says right here, you can sell your services through your own website or on Upwork or Freelancer or Fiverr as well. You can also use ChatGPT to create content or products, to generate ideas or content for your blog, podcast, or YouTube channel, to create digital products such as ebooks or printables that you sell through your own website or on platforms like Etsy. So that's exactly what I'm doing by creating the ebooks for Gumroad and Amazon. And I would say that's probably the best idea that I've come up with so far that is actually already working, to use ChatGPT for a blog, ebook, podcast, YouTube channel. And yeah, so just I leave it up to you. Just it's just a matter of asking the right questions, right? And ChatGPT can pretty much do anything for you. Here's another one too. You can sell a course. So you can sell these courses on your website or through platforms like Udemy, which I also have, or Teachable. So I'll show you an example of Teachable here. These are my own courses available on Teachable. And it's basically saying that I could use ChatGPT to create these courses that I can then sell on a platform like this or Udemy as well. I've created all of these courses, but I'm not really getting any sales for whatever reason. I'm not really promoting them too much, but probably should be. And on the topic of courses, we can just say, can you offer a few topic suggestions for a course on, say, Teachable, for example? Online marketing, of course, because this is a very popular topic that a lot of people are interested in. Personal development, ways for people to improve themselves, careers, relationships, personal goals. Digital art and design, how to use Photoshop, Illustrator, graphic design. Obviously, programming and web development, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or entrepreneurship and small business. They don't know where to start. So that's it. It teaches the basic entrepreneurship. So you can basically create a course on any of these topics. So now you can just say, create a course outline for, it's important to say outline here, for a course on Udemy. Let's say for a marketing course, but let's be a little more specific, LinkedIn marketing course on Udemy. Let's see what it does. Okay, section 1. So it's creating the entire outline here. And from here, we can just elaborate on each one of these points. And I'll show you how to do that in a second. But this is really important right here. So overview of LinkedIn, its importance as a marketing platform, setting up a LinkedIn business page, understanding LinkedIn's algorithm. So it's just created the entire outline for us. And similar to what you would do when writing an ebook, we can simply take each one of these points right here. So let's start with the first one, overview of LinkedIn and its importance as a marketing platform. And then we could say, write a course chapter for this one. So now it's going to take that and it's going to say, type out an entire chapter right here, or overview. Welcome to this course on LinkedIn marketing. In this first chapter or first section, whatever you want to say, we'll be taking a high-level look at LinkedIn and why it's an important platform for businesses to consider as part of their marketing efforts. And then it says, what is LinkedIn right here? Why is LinkedIn important for marketing? And it's kind of just setting the landscape before getting into the course. Overall, LinkedIn is a powerful platform that can help businesses reach and engage with their target audience in a targeted, trusted, and versatile way. In the next few sections, we'll be diving deeper into the specific tactics and strategies you can use to maximize your LinkedIn marketing efforts. So it's just written the entire first section, which I can then record in video and put on a platform like Udemy, for example, or Teachable, whichever one you want to use. So this is Udemy. It's one of the largest marketplaces of online courses online. So as you can see here, there's a lot of different examples. And I already have a LinkedIn course, which I may be able to find if I search here. If I just search for LinkedIn marketing, you'll see right here, this is the #1 course. It's for sale for about $100. It's a bestseller, 13 hours long, 196 lectures. And here's another one, 5,600 reviews, 5 hours long. And mine should be in here somewhere. It might be on the second or third page. But yeah, anyway, this is a really good way to make money online if you want to create a course and just start selling it on Udemy. So unfortunately, I can't find my course, which is probably one of the reasons why it's not getting many sales lately, because people can't find it. So I'll have to look into that. But if I want to create an entirely new course on LinkedIn marketing and put it for sale on Udemy, for example, I can use this. I can simply take this outline and write the entire course using ChatGPT. So I can say, write a course section for Udemy on this. Setting up LinkedIn business page, personal profile. Discussing the importance of having a strong LinkedIn presence, and will provide step-by-step instructions on how you can set up business page and personal profile. So that's pretty much all there is to it. So I'm thinking about possibly just creating another course using ChatGPT and creating the script, making the course, putting it up on Udemy, and yeah, just start getting sales there. I could also put it up on Teachable as well and start promoting it on LinkedIn using LinkedIn articles like this one here. So those are just a few examples. Obviously, there's many, many more that you can do using ChatGPT. It's very powerful, and I highly recommend getting started with it while it's still early. It's only been available for about, I think it's launched maybe 2-3 months ago. So the sooner you get in on this, the better. And yeah, have fun learning how to use ChatGPT to make money online. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.